Greetings and good days everyone. Today, me and my group member would like to do a presentations about our assignments on ADS411 Introductions to Quality Management with the title of Juran'S Quality Trilogy. But before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. Starting with me and myself, I am Eldenoel Boning, and this is my group members, Agusta Edwin John, Chelsea Charles, and Muhammad Chasni. And we are from AM228 Bachelor of Administrative Science Part 2. For the introduction, Juran, or more known as Joseph Moses Juran, is a Romanian-born and American engineer, management consultant, and author. Other than that, Joseph M. Juran was a quality luminary who focused on top management involvement, the quality trilogy, quality cost measurement, and Pareto analysis. Moreover, another founding of the Juran Institute, it began with a series of video programs that promote his idea and made them easily available to many more people. For your guys' informations, the Institute has started in 1979 and become a very successful. So everybody, as we all know, Joseph M. Juran or Juran is a figure that focuses on quality management. Juran'S defined quality as fitness for use, which means that quality should be viewed from both external and internal perspective. Quality is related to product performance that result in customer satisfactions. Other than that, it also freedom from product deficiencies, which avoid customer dissatisfaction. Juran also has developed quality trilogy, which is planning, control, and improvement. Juran Trilogy speak about the cost for quality and also about cross-functional management. He show how the cost incurred could be reduced by quality planning, control, and improvement. Another quotes by Juran, which is, "It is most important that top management be qualified-minded. In the absence of sincere manifestations of interest at the top, little will happen below." So today, our assignment will be talk about Quality Trilogy by Juran.
Juran quality technology actually consists of three elements, which is quality planning, quality improvement, and quality control. The first element is quality planning. Quality planning, also known as a quality by design, is the foundation of first phase in Joseph M. Juran quality trilogy. Quality planning actually refers to a necessary and sufficient condition for quality assurance, which necessity and consists of proper and plain design. Actually, quality by design model is a structured strategy for the developing creative design feature that react to the needs of customer, as well as the process that will be executed to produce those new design. Okay, this slide will be discussing the importance of quality planning. Why we should implement quality planning before proceeding our production of goods and services. One of the significance of quality planning is it helps us to determine of external and internal customer demand, as well as the interpretation and transformation of this need into specification that it must be fulfilled. The second one, an effective quality strategy will ensure that the final product of an organization is defect-free. However, hidden or recurrent failure that necessitate rework and redoing. There are exclusions to quality planning because their search was caused by an anticipated occurrence such as power outage, process malfunction, or human error. Alright, as we discussed before, the significance or importance of quality planning. Actually, quality planning also helps us to determine and identify our targeted customer, which lead to fulfill of their needs and wants. Because an organization must be able to provide goods and services that exceed customer expectation. For example, Ford Mustang Company that have their own regulation and standard. The Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard are top priority when building any vehicle. Ford had set its own safety standard that were more stricter than the federal ones and provide a large margin of safety on all quantitative standards implementation of a subset of high-level product feature and objective. During this phase of quality planning, the team will be encouraged to consider a wide range of prospective product feature and how which it will respond to the needs of the client, because the improvement in technology in the market will be the answer that previously failed to fulfill a customer needs and resolve a customer problem may be ready to evaluate it again. As a result, the quality planning process must be include mechanism for meeting both quality standard and quality target.
For the next part is quality control, which means the process of meeting quality goals during operation. And the goal is to comply with critical to quality requirements and international standards or regulatory authorities such as ISO 9000. There are three aspects regarding about this quality control, which is job management, software elements, and competence. The importance of quality control, and in designing a certain product, we as the producer must create the feature that able to satisfy the customer needs, and that's why we need the quality control, as it is a method that carry out every day to assure that we are making and delivering the products or services to the right targets. And we must maintain control of the product feature or key product characteristic and required to meet the customer needs. And this consists of a system of products and process control which can provide stability to the operating process. A key product characteristic that controls anticipated variation could significantly affect a product safety and compliance to the government regulation, performance, or fit. Okay, the next part is quality control examples. A job manager must ensure that the workers with all the necessary skills are on site when they are needed. And job management skills include the project supervision, teamwork, and leadership. Also, in food and drug manufacturing, quality control includes ensuring the product does not make a consumer sick. So, the company perform chemical and microbiological testing of the samples from the production line.
Let's move on to quality improvement. Quality improvement is the framework used to systematically improve care. Quality improvement seeks to standardize process and structure to reduce variation, achieve predictable results, and improve outcomes for patients, healthcare system, and organization. Structure includes things like technology, culture, leadership, and physical capital. There are 4 strategies to improvement that could be applied. The first one is repair, which is reactive approach. It means by fix what is broken. The second one is refinement, which is proactive approach, whereby it continually improve a process that isn't broken. The third one is renovation, improvement through innovation or technology advancement. The last one is reinvention, which is the most demanding approach, where it abandons the current practice and start over with a clean state. Next, Juran advocated a 10-step process for quality improvement programs. First, build awareness of need and opportunity for improvement. Set goals for improvement. Organize to reach the goals. Provide training by investment in education and training. Carry out projects to solve problems. Report progress. Give recognition. Communicate result. Keep score by reporting the achievement or shortfalls. And the last one is maintain momentum by making annual improvement as part of the regular process. The example for quality improvement: implementation of the Juran Trilogy in SMP in Indonesia, small and medium enterprises in 4 cities in West Java Province, Indonesia. The SMEs were found to have significant weaknesses in their output quality, and the Juran Trilogy was identified as a means to alleviate this. However, problem arose during the quality control phase of the trilogy, partly due to a lack of understanding regarding to technology used to assist this phase. As such, the study calls on governmental action to provide mastery of technology and improve skills of SME owners. The aim is to better equip SME owners and employees for them to deliver a relevant quality planning, control, and improvement process. Next, the quality trilogy diagram. Juran also given a diagram where he describes the way to reduce the cost of quality over time. Plot between time versus cost of poor quality. The diagram explains several things that are: first, the planning phase is the initial phase before any production process begins, where the ideas of new products or services are designed. Second, the operations start at time 0, but as the diagram shows that this region will have 20% defect, and Juran calls this region as the region of high defects or the chronic waste region. If there is a sudden spike in the increase of defect as seen in the diagram, in example 40%, this spike resulted from some unplanned events such as the sudden breakdowns in the systems or human errors. This spike is called sporadic spike. The fourth one is the quality improvement is processed, and due to these improvements, a new zone of quality control is seen in the diagram. Now, as the percentage of defects decreased to 5%, and this reduction is seen due to the continuous quality improvement process. Once the stabilization is achieved, the quality plan needs to be updated.
As the conclusions, Joseph M. Juran, known as the foremost authority in the subject of quality management, Dr. Juran left us with many core methodologies and instruments. Other than that, the Juran Quality Trilogy is comprised of 3 critical managerial tools that work in tandem to assist organizations in reaping the full benefit of quality management with quality leadership. Moreover, the ideas of Juran Trilogy are quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. DMA-DV and DMA-IC are the Six Sigma terms for the quality planning and quality improvement processes. Processes are the sequences of events that are used to successfully plan, control, and improve quality. For many years, these procedures have been widely used in all industry around the world. That's all for our today's presentations. Thank you. Gracias.